ku vandlamula mpfumawulo.
Until such time that we appreciate who we are through our languages and our music, nobody is going to respect us. I salute you.
Viva Mngana Lonene, viva! Riperile, Mijani. Today we are here to celebrate legends, and one of the categories named after Dr. Chauke. And Dr. Chauke is one of our stars. Let us use our language to unite the whole country. And Mozambique and Zimbabwe artists are here with us. We are using Sitonga to unite the entire republic. Halala Mngana Lonene, halala. Inkomo.
Muwini wa sagwadi leri i Joe Shirimane.
Inkomo na cancer.
Ebeneza Nkosi yami yoyi ungihole awukwaze kwalapha
Imayangani jikela hata ijambatani inoko isungula revolution. I'm the king. I'm a star. I'm a star. Manya! Yes.